Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chaitanya and in today's video, I am going to talk about how you can install the LinkedIn conversion tag through Google Tag Manager. This is what our video will be about today, so make sure to watch this video till the end, okay? So, the most important thing, friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I have seen that many people come to the channel, watch the video, but don't subscribe. Okay? So, without wasting much time, I will start the video. So, basically, today I am going to show you the setup of the LinkedIn conversion tag. Okay, so what do you need for this, guys? First and foremost, you need to have a LinkedIn client account or your business account. Only then can you install the LinkedIn conversion tag here. Okay, so here, guys, I am also going to set this up for a client and I will show you the entire process for this. The client has already given me access to their LinkedIn ads account. Okay, so first for that, what you need to do is go to linkedin.com and log in. After logging in, you need to be redirected to the Ads Campaign Manager here. Okay? After that, I will start the process here now, guys. Okay? First, what you need to do here, guys, is you see measurement here, guys. Okay? You need to come here. Okay? After clicking on measurement, first we need to set up the insight tag, which is the page view tag here. Okay? So here I click on it. Okay? Already my client has set up that tag here, meaning created it, so I will not duplicate it again. If my client had not created that tag here, I would have shown you the setup from scratch. Therefore here, guys, what I will do is go to manage source. Yes, if there is no initial LinkedIn Insight tag in your account, you can create it from here. Here, what I do is go to manage source, guys. Okay? And after going to manage source, you can see here, guys, it says unverified. Why? Because the client only created the insight tag here. They have not embedded it on the website. Okay. Here, I'm going to show you this step through Google Tag Manager. So here, you might also be seeing on the screen that Google Tag Manager is already there. But here, guys, what will happen if we select this option with Google Tag Manager is that it will directly connect the LinkedIn Ads account and Google Tag Manager. So this might give us a bit of trouble. That's why we need to set it up manually. Okay. So here, what I do is click on the inside tag and look, it gives you three options. Choose how to install your tag. Okay. Here you can do it with a developer. You can do it yourself. On here you see we also get the code for Google Tag Manager. So you can do it from the code and from the HTML code as well. Okay. Here, what I do is show you guys first how to install the initiate tag, meaning the inside tag, and how we will do it on page view. CTK, see this code. If you want to verify it, you can see the LinkedIn partner ID here, guys. You can see it is 693292. And here we can see the same ID. It means our LinkedIn ID is the same. Here, what I do, guys, is copy paste it. After copying our LinkedIn code, I come here to Google Tag Manager. Okay. After coming to Google Tag Manager, I click on Tag Configuration. Here, what we will choose is Custom HTML. Okay, after selecting Custom HTML, I copy paste it here and name it LinkedIn Tag. Page view. Okay, guys, here you can name it as you like. And here, guys, I trigger it. And here I initiate it. Okay, here initialization on all pages. I trigger it here. Okay, guys, so here, guys, see one step is complete here. That means the LinkedIn page view event is now complete here. The most important part of this video you need to see is how the conversion tag is installed from here. Okay. So, what I do here, guys, is we already have a tag here. Okay. Now, I go back, guys. Okay. Inside the tag, our setup is done here. And now, what I do is go back to measurement. And here, you can see conversion tracking. Okay. So, guys, here you get two different tags, insight and conversion tracking. So here, what I do now is click on conversion tracking and see, we don't have any conversion tag available here. So before this, guys, the most important process I need to do here is to come to Google Tag Manager and download or set up the LinkedIn template here. Okay. So what I do here is click on view. Okay. I go to tag configurator, and if you look here, you won't find the LinkedIn tag here. Okay. So what I do here is you see LinkedIn inside here. We need to install this tag here. If you don't see it in the list, then what you need to do, guys, okay, and here, guys, what you need to do is look, I searched LinkedIn here, and you need to install the LinkedIn Insight Tag 2.0 here. I click on it here, and then you need to add it to the workspace. Okay, okay. And guys, there's a small warning here. You can ignore it. It doesn't have any impact. Okay. And here, guys, look, right now we have the partner ID and conversion ID. All these things are being asked here in Google Tag Manager. Okay. So here, guys, now how will you find the partner ID and conversion ID? I will show you the process here. Here, I go back to the LinkedIn account, and here I click on create lead conversion. Okay, and here I give it a name. Okay, here the name I give it, guys. Okay, what we need to capture is its lead form. Okay, and after this, guys, look here. You have to choose the category that is best for you. I mean, the conversion action you have to choose, you can choose it here. So look here. Upper funnel, middle funnel, lower funnel, all these things are here for you. You can also purchase e-commerce. I can do all these things like add to cart here, but here I am going to close for the lead. Okay, so I will lead for this. I will keep a dynamic value here. Okay, if you want to keep something, you can keep anything. Here, I will make it a dynamic value, and here I won't do anything, and here I will do next. Okay, after clicking next, the source comes up here. Okay, what do I do here, guys? Here, I also click next, guys. 1 minute. Is there Google Tag Manager here? Yes, Google Tag Manager is selected here. But what's happening here, guys? It's asking me to continue. It means it's asking to connect directly through Google Tag Manager. Okay, guys, sorry, there was a little misunderstanding here. Here, the conversion tracking API, the option I selected in the video preview was the conversion API. Okay, what we are doing here, guys, is setting up a basic conversion tag, okay? And I will also cover a video on the conversion API in an upcoming topic, so don't worry about that. Here, Jenna, what I do say, guys, is you need to go to measurement, go to conversion tracking, and here you need to create a conversion. After creating the conversion, you see inside track conversion here, guys, you need to select this option. Okay, a few seconds ago, guys, you might have seen in the video that I paused the video here. Okay, so I cut a bit here and deleted that part. And here, I'm directly telling you about the inside conversion track. Okay, and here I give it a name. Okay. Okay, I have given the name here. Here, I need to select the category as lead. Okay, whatever value you find suitable here, and here I will do next, guys. Okay, after doing next, look here. It is asking you for website action, manual conversion, setup tag manager. Okay, so here, guys, we will select this option, tag manager. Okay, and Google Tag Manager has appeared here. Here, just like we saw the partner ID and conversion tag, we need to find them here. Okay, so you got the partner ID here. But what I'm going to do here, guys, is make it event specific. Okay, event specific means that from one page, you want to take one step on several actions. That's called event specific. Okay, here I find the partner ID. I copy it. I paste it here. Then I go to the office LinkedIn tag, and here you see the conversion ID. Guys, I copy it. Okay, after copying, I paste it here and I name it. Okay, LinkedIn tag conversion. Okay, I have given the conversion, and here, guys, I will trigger it on the thank you page, which is our primary source from Google Tag Manager. On the thank you page, I trigger it here. Okay, once it is saved, what is the most important step left here, guys? We need to preview it here. Okay, now I will preview it here. Okay. It's loading here, guys, and here I do this. Okay, guys, look, the thank you page has appeared. Okay, here I directly connected. Guys, I won't sit here doing an office test. Okay, so I directly connected it to the thank you page, and look here, the tag assistant is connecting, guys. Okay, yeah, once the website opens completely, once the tag assistance message appears, you will see it directly here. Okay, and here, guys, look, I come here to the thank you page and see here the LinkedIn conversion tag has fired and the page view tag has also fired. Here, I click on it and go to container loaded. Okay, after coming to container loaded, here you can see guys that the Google Ads conversion, Facebook pixel, and LinkedIn conversion tags we set up are firing here. And now guys, to preview the page view, you will go to the initialization page and the Google Ads tag is firing. The GA4 tag is also firing and the LinkedIn page view tag is also firing here guys. Okay, so guys, what does this mean? Whatever LinkedIn conversion tag you set up has been set up correctly here guys. Okay, I hope friends, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, be sure to like it. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will be bringing many more topics like this in upcoming videos for you. Until then, keep watching the same channel and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye and tata.